Matt and I have had countless adventures together, from childhood mischief to, well, adult mischief as well. But none of my adventures with him can compare to the epic saga he started with Lynn. Together, they've seen more action than a blockbuster trilogy.
You've been by my side since birth, and it's weird to give you away to Matt, so she's your responsibility now. She can be a pain in the ass with the biggest heart, and I know she's in good hands with Matt, so love you guys.
Wash over me.
Happy birthday to you.
Take over me.
You guys mean the world to me, and I'm really happy you guys are part of this big day.
These are yours to keep. They're thank you for me. You're gonna lace your shoes up tonight, but thank you.
Sail on with me. Up here we know we're safe from the crash.
Growing up, Lynn was very kind, athletic, smart. She's beautiful inside and out. We had lots of family fun together, but I gotta admit, I didn't see this pair coming. But seeing them together, I see why it works. They truly love each other. They have the best time together, and I wish you a lifetime of happiness.
In the grip of your arms, far from I want to see the other side.
For me?
Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Within the circle of love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. A wife and a husband are each other's best friend, confidant, lover, teacher, listener, and counselor. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, and commitment is stronger.
I, Matthew William Hull, take you, Lynn Marie Stowe, to be my wedded wife.
I, Lynn Marie Stowe, take you, Matthew William Hull, to be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Seeing Matt and Lynn together, it's clear they share not just a love for each other, but a love for life. Their spirit and joy are infectious. A reminder to us all that the best moments are those shared with someone you love. To Matt and Lynn, both of you embody the spirit of service, sacrifice, and commitment. It's fitting that on your wedding is only on May the 4th.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may kiss your bride.
So let's all raise our glasses to Matt and Lynn. To love, laughter, and a lifetime of happiness. May your adventures be many, your troubles be few, and your lives together be filled with love and joy. Cheers.
That what makes life worth living is having a partner to get up to in the morning, go to bed with at night, to know that they're always in your corner. And no matter what, they're your best friend. There's nothing that's even close to that.